Welcome everyone to the Eve Growing Concepts. Today I want to do a quick video on this BSF, the Black Soldier Fly bin. This is such an easy build. I have a young adult raccoon that I picked up off the side of the road on a busy road, feeling so bad for it all the time when I see roadkill, and I'm thinking to myself how sad it is for this poor creature to be in the middle of the road and nobody takes the time to take it off. And he was on the road for a couple days, I would imagine, because he wasn't smelling too good. And that smell, as nasty as it is, it definitely attracted these BSF black soldier flies so quickly. So it's hot right here. I'm feeling, because I just set this up the day before yesterday, and I think yesterday it was inoculated with these guys. And how crazy is Mother Nature to do that? So anyway, let's just go over some of the parts that it has. For a bucket, some Eve fittings, which are these things here. I used to call them aeration fittings, but there's so many uses for them that I now call them Eve fittings. And this is stackable. So the bottom here, not so hot. You know, it's got some of my number 2 no-nos in it. So it's not working as good. And the only thing for now that it proves is my ZEITGEIST. And this one just has a hard cap on it, which I think is a good way to go, especially if you have a chicken coop. You could just hang this in your chicken coop or over your fish farms. And this one has a lid that's easy to come off and on. All right, so we have the internal makeup of this is just a hose that goes right around in here. They're not going in the inside of the hose. They're going to be crawling out through the outside of the hose, I hope. That is the hope of it all. So they're going to crawl up here, and they're going to come out here, and they're going to drop down here. This one has a T, so they come out of here. They're not going to go up because gravity demands that they go down, and they're going to go down through here. Now there's some earwigs in there right now, and some other stuff, other insects that I don't necessarily know what they are, but they must have went in and they must have found their way out, and they're falling down here. So that now they're in here. Those will all be fed to my fish as well. Right here is the drainage system, so I just have that capped like that, and when I want to excuse me, when I want to drain it, I go like this. No liquid in it right now because they're pretty new. They're very new, and I will do a build on the BSF when I know for sure that it works. But it's you gotta master the black soldier fly. I think I've been wanting to master them for many years now. For 3 years, I built a similar one last year that didn't work so well. When I had quail, when I was dealing with quail, there's so many applications. You know, a lot of times I say with my red wigglers, I feed them everything. But there's some stuff I don't necessarily like to feed them. It's just it's not fun to feed them. Like roadkill, for example, is something I don't necessarily want to feed to my red wigglers. I've done it with great results, but wouldn't it be cool if you could put a roadkill in here and it's gone in a couple of days rather than many weeks and months at a time, a couple days. I just want to open source this idea and get as many people on board. So basically, in this bottom one, they fly in through here. That is open. This one's open. And these are old vernmenting bin models that work perfect for this. This one here, they come out here, go down into there, and the same with this bucket up here. Same thing, goes around. This is the drain system that there's no liquid in it right now. So they go in through here. Another opening over here. I got a couple aeration fittings here, or Eve fittings that are aeration fittings, just to get some of that smell out so that they can recognize that it's here. Right there, this particular model here, you can lift it up and you can hang it in your chicken coop and let Mother Nature do the rest. Pack it with some kind of one of your rendered animals or something gross that you really just don't want to get rid of. Chicken meat, all your meats right here. That's what they love the most, I think, so far from my experience. From roadkill, raw chicken, I bet is a good one. Fish, things that smell really bad. You don't throw it in the trash. You save it for your chickens, all that gross stuff. So that's basically that one. And if you want to go too high, so many applications. I could hang this from a tree way up. And so that's all I have to say. I hope everybody's doing well. God bless, and over and out.